to the app section here, come to the app settings, and we're going to come to the Shopify app store. Now, there are a few apps we need. So the first one is going to be Kaching Bundles. Now, the pre-built theme does have a free bundles built in, but this app is going to be just a little better. And then we're also going to install Bucks Currency Converter. These are going to be the only two apps today. On my personal stores, yeah, I have some more apps like emails, SMS. I have some upsells. Sometimes I use review apps as well. Since this is a bare bones setup, you don't always need a review app to test, but this is enough to launch your store and to validate profits. So here's Bucks Currency Converter. This app, go with the free plan. You don't even need to pay for it. That's the beauty. So to set this up, you're first going to come to HTML with currency. You're going to click copy. And then we just need to follow this step by step. So we're going to come to settings general here, and we just need to update the currency formatting. So under currency display, click these dots, change currency formatting, HTML with currency. We're going to delete the current one, paste the new one. Then we come here, HTML without currency. We copy that, return back here, HTML without currency, remove the current, paste the new one, save it. Now, whenever you install an app, you need to enable the app embed. So here there's a hyperlink, theme extension settings. Inside of here, very simply, look, here's Bucks. We can turn that on and click save. And whenever you install an app, you'll need to enable it. So on the left side, you have your sections, your settings, and then we have the app embeds. Also, for some reason, the product is still sold out. That shouldn't be it. So we'll fix this in just a moment. And now we can enable Bucks and the app is all good. So let's come to our advanced settings here. And we're going to first turn the app on. And then I would come to price rounding, come to round to decimal, 0.95. Essentially, it just helps our prices be congruent no matter what country they're from. Now, this app, Bucks, I should have explained it, but if you view my store from not the USA, you'll see this in your default currency. Easy as. So I'll just add Australian dollars here. Otherwise, leave those defaults. Leave auto currency converter on, and then currency converter code, I will click with code. So turn that on. Design, change it to traditional flags, just a preference. And then under display, I do bottom left and I hide it on mobile. That way it only appears on the desktop. And you know how we just set up the general shipping rates? My bad, we need to set the shipping rates up under Auto DS. So you'll have two shipping rates here. What we did under general, we need to go do that once more under Auto DS specifically. My apologize, guys. I'm going to update these. I'll be right back. And then we can click the products and you'll see this has 0 in inventory, which is where the issue comes from. But if you come to inventory here, okay, so location, select Auto DS, uncheck your main one, click save. And then continue selling out of stock. You can just toggle that on and then click save. And now if we refresh our page, it should be available. Essentially, when you're shipping from China, they have unlimited inventory to some extent. So you don't need to stress that too much. What's most important though is you just went through those following settings. So my bad, a few extra steps, got a bit derailed. And then we're gonna install the second app, Kaching Bundles now. And I think I got a discount code here. Let me see, Eclipse 20? Yeah, 20% off. Feel free to tap that in. Now we'll start our 7-day trial. And Kaching Bundles is a very straightforward app to install. So we're going to activate the app embed. Reminder, anytime you install a new app, you'll need to come here, turn the app on, save your theme. And now we can create our first bundle. So we're just going to go with this first option here, choose this. And for the name, this doesn't matter. Just call this after your pen. So the Herbie pen. Bundle and save. We're going to say BOGO deal today only. We're going to have this only apply to the specific product that we're selling. We're going to hide the theme variant picker. This is important. Just trust, turn that on. And then price rounding. I'll also turn this on and have it end in 0.95. Another important thing. Scrolling down then, we want to come to countdown timer. We're going to enable this for midnight. And I'll typically choose just a soft yellow color for the background. And then scrolling down to the bundle itself. So this app just lets us create some nice tiered bundles. So in my case, we're doing the buy one, get one free. So that's what we're going to set up. I'm still going to have a buy one. It's kind of like a bait and switch, you'll see. Where look, we have buy one here. Or what we can do is we can allow them to buy 1, get one free. Wow, so much savings. And then we'll also give them free shipping on this one. And now the customer feels like they're getting some amazing value. You know, they can buy one or they can buy one and get one free. You know, it's the same exact thing. And I'll say this is the most popular offer. And then I have one more tier here as well. This is going to be a buy two, get two free. Also going to give them free shipping. And then again, this will be 50% off as well. And this one, actually, we're going to set at a fixed price. I'm going to give them $10 off. So if they get this one, they will save 15% off. So that's it for the bundles, essentially. Kaching is just by far one of the best apps. And you can get pretty advanced with it. You can add some free gifts as well. So Kaching is by far a game changer. These are really the only two apps you need. So let's come to our actual product page now. I'm going to pull this open. And the first thing you'll see is we have our bundles. And notice how the price is already here. Because of that, I'll usually hide the price. So under product info, I'll hide the baseline price so it's only in the bundles. So now we have our bundles set up where they can get the BOGO, buy two, get two free. We have our currency converter in the corner. There's one final setting we need to tweak, and that's when we add to cart, we have our cart drawer here. So if we come to theme settings, scroll all the way down to cart, by default, we have a custom cart drawer integrated into this theme. So find cart progress bar. And if you're giving free shipping on, let's say, over $40, you would put $40 here. In my case, everyone gets free shipping. I'm just going to put that to 0. That way, everyone sees free shipping here. And other than that, you should be good. You don't need to customize the cart too much. We have apps installed. So now this is where the fun begins. We can move onto the ad creatives and then get this campaign scheduled for tomorrow and see what data we can bring in.